Welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about breakout rooms. And this is not about Zoom, it's about Microsoft Teams. So shortly, we're going to do some screenshots from a computer to show you how to use breakout rooms. Hopefully, this will be released to more and more of you over the coming month or two.
Welcome to part 2 of this video. We're going to show you how to set up breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams, and as an added bonus we're also going to bring in a little bit about together mode, as these features are very close to each other in terms of where the settings are. So part 1, if your menu looks like this in Microsoft Teams, then you are missing a couple of options. So what we need to do is we need to go to your settings in the top right hand corner of the screen, and from there we need to turn on the new meeting experience. So I'm just going to show you that setting. So as you can see from the arrow here, second from bottom, turn on new meeting experience. So make sure you have that on, and you close Microsoft Teams and open Microsoft Teams. Then you'll get the extra features turned on. Secondly, what we need to make sure is that for everyone to benefit from this, whether they're on Android, iPhone, iOS, they also need to make sure they've got the very latest version of Microsoft Teams. You can find that out in the App Store for iPhone and the Play Store if you're on Android. And if you're not sure if you on Windows that you're running the latest version, just do a search online for download Microsoft Teams and it will install the update if you're not sure. That's probably the easiest way, rather than checking what version number you're on. So this feature with breakout rooms can work if it's a private meeting, a channel, or if it's a scheduled meeting that you set up in Microsoft Outlook previously. Now, as the meeting organizer, you need to make sure that you click on the breakout rooms option, which I'm going to show you a screenshot of this. This option here is the new button which allows you to turn on breakout mode rooms. And what you can do with breakout rooms is, say like you've got 20 people in a room and you want to create 4 groups of 5. So physically you'd go to different areas of the room and have discussions. Now virtually, what you don't want to do, start doing is muting people. That's not how it's done. With breakout rooms, you can take out 5 people, put them in a room. Take out another 5, put them in a room, and so on. So then you got 4 groups of 5, and they can have a smaller meeting, which is known as breakout rooms. Now that's breakout rooms. What I want to add to this quickly is together mode. You may or may not have heard of this, but when you've got 10 people, 20 people, or even 50 people, you see lots of rectangular boxes with people's furniture, people's homes, etc, etc. And there could be some distractions. So with together mode, you could think of this as you're in a meeting room at work and somebody's presenting at the front. Or if you've been to university, you're in a lecture room. In a college, if you're in the assembly hall, or even in school, if you're in an assembly hall, where you've got somebody talking at the front and then they're talking to an entire audience. And what it looks like, before I show you what it looks like, to turn on together mode, click on these three dots next to the hand and click on together mode. And that has been enabled in October, November 2020. So more and more of you should start seeing it in November, December if you don't see that option. So going back to what I was talking about, in a lecture room, if you're used to seeing those in the university environment, you'd see loads of people sitting on a chair and the lecturer would be talking. So what you will all see is you'll see everyone else in the meeting. So if there's 10 of you, you'll see the 9 other people sitting down. You won't see yourself sitting down in this mode. So that's together mode, and so hopefully that benefits you because it takes away all the distractions and just sees the people. Now, Microsoft do a very good bit of automation, AI, whatever you want to call it, to take away all the background. I know when I did it, I was sat at a computer, and there was lots of different colours, etc. You can only see a little bit of extra of my head. So it does quite good at making this work, and with time it's going to get even better. And finally, just to come back to breakout rooms, if your menu looks like this, so next to the hand you don't see that button for breakout rooms, you either don't have the feature available yet, so I would wait probably till December 2020, or it's possible that you're not running the latest version of Teams. So make sure you download it, install it, come out of Teams, go back into Teams, so you have to sign out and sign in. Worst case scenario, just restart your computer so you can see the extra button, which, as a reminder, will look like this. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop a question below. Otherwise, we hope you benefit from this feature. Try it out. Likewise, try out together mode and let us know what you thought about breakout rooms and together mode. Will they help you and your meetings without having so many distractions?
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you thought below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe using the button in the bottom right hand side. Thanks for watching and have a great day.